Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to be just unbagging this little bag I got from Amazon. It is a part of a larger order from Amazon. If you guys saw that video, it would have been a few videos before. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going, and welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so this should be some other accessory items for cameras that I had picked up on a previous video. I had one thing out of that order that did show up that day. It's actually 4 days late and a little aggravating. The Amazon person that decided to drop it off decided to throw it over a vehicle and into our yard because, you know, the package doesn't really matter. They never do. Because he was in such a hurry, or whatever his problem was. But these should be the missing buckle slides that I was waiting for, that I had made in that order that I got a Klein thermometer and a bunch of GoPro accessories. Bag is empty. Same top as the brand. Just a quick release buckle and a tripod mount. It's interesting how they came in bags. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. They're all here. They all look like they're in one piece. I mean, the Amazon driver is lucky it wasn't some electronic part or something. It was just an accessory. I would have been pissed if that was a GoPro or some freaking camera I purchased. But these are standard slides. It's the exact same slide that is on the tripod right now. See if it slides the same. Yeah, it feels about the same. Not as tight as the one that's on this tripod, but it is exactly the same. It does have two brass threads, the one that's attached to the tripod and then the one that's at the end. Probably the exact same company I got these from. I don't know. I might be wrong. I might have gotten these from a different company, but they look identical. They both have brass threads. This is one I've been using for 4+ years now. 2 brass threads. It's about the same thickness. It's actually the exact same thickness. It's probably the exact same mounts, to be honest. I've never had any issues with it. I picked up some more so I can put these on a bunch of different tripods. I don't normally use these, to be honest, but you know, they came with what I needed, so I'll have them if I need them in the future. Not sure what this is. This is a little instruction booklet. Like, you really need an instruction booklet for some mounts. I'm sure these came from China. I do know that they came from someplace in New York, but it's kind of typical of some cultures to think that when you're buying something, you need instructions for something as simple as this. I guess these will go into feed my wife's garden because I'm not going to keep them. I might keep these bags though. These bags are pretty decent. But that is it. It is the rest of the order. We'll go grab the other ones too. actually just put them in this bag. Which one is it? So these are from the first section of the order. There's one missing because it's on a tripod already. As well as put all this stuff aside because I gotta take this stuff out the bag. These are also from that order. And these I only ordered 4, wasn't expecting to get 8, didn't realize they were 2-packs. And then these guys right here. These are small rig. Put one of these on the tripod that my wife uses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 3 of them missing. I don't know where the other ones are. There's 3 of these missing. But got lots of buckle mounts. That's basically everything that I picked up. There's 8 of these. I probably put them in another pouch, another camera kit. There was 5 of these guys, and then 6 of these, and then it came with these, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these guys. But these buckle mounts are actually quite loose compared to the small rigs. The small rigs are actually the tightest in my opinion. So I have another buckle mount here. These are the rotating buckle mounts, the swivel mounts. So this is what the camera is being held on with right now. These are actually, they're snug, they're not tight. These guys are loose. They're kind of snug going in. Oh, that one's actually pretty tight. These, I believe, are tight when the buckles aren't broken. So here's one. Here's a GoPro one with the buckles actually snapped off. You can see the buckles are gone. So this one right here, I like these because even if they're broken, the buckles are broken, you can still use them. So these are nice and snug. That's what I like about these, is that you can continually use these and you don't have to throw them away just because the 2 buckle tangs fell off or broke. These are actually very snug. These are loose if it's broken. So you watch. It doesn't really stay in. These are only, in my opinion, I guess good for something like this that actually the buckles are there to hold it in. And I've had these GoPro ones break faster than cheap ones I got off of Amazon. And these are the tightest, even if it's broke. Very, very tight, very snug. You can use both, whether they're broke or not. They're very snug on here as well. That's why I like the small rig stuff. Small rig makes very precision made accessories. But all of this stuff was from one order, including this guy right here. This was in that order as well. This Klein thermometer, the IR07. This one I just happened to put in here because I already had it and it fits in the bag. So now I have both of my Klein thermometers in the same bag. That's nice. But that is all I got for you guys today. I already started using some of these. One of these is already on a tripod. One of these is already on a tripod. And these, I like these because they give you the option. You can either mount these directly to 1/4-20 thread, but it also comes with a nice machined hot shoe mount that's already threaded in. So that's pretty nice. It's a nice feature that they didn't have to add, but they did for the price. That is all I got for you guys today. Just what was left of the order. I was a little irritated that the dude just threw it over the fence. He threw it over Sky, the broke down 4Runner that I'm working on fixing, over the fence and into the yard. It's just ridiculous. It didn't matter if it was a bunch of plastic items or if it was a camera, or, you know, it could have been anything. You don't throw customers' items, their packages, at all. But, you know, that's all I got for you guys today. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will give you guys updates down the road. These, I've never had any issues with. I've been using them for years, never had one break on me. It's always these buckles that break. These slides never ever break. These are plastic. This is aluminum, and this one is aluminum as well. I do like the small rig, as a personal opinion, how they feel, how the buckles slide in them, whether the buckles are broken or not. The small rig feels the most precision, and the small rig has an option for threaded 3/8 by 16, as well as 1/4 by 20. So the small rig, even though you're paying $12.98 per for the small rig, you're actually getting more options. These are Arca style also. These are actually meant to mount to an Arca Connect rail system for Arca style adapters and camera equipment stuff. Arca style is more used in the high-end professional, like DSLR, you know, $20,000, $30,000 camera stuff. These are the strongest. So it is, in my opinion, just the feel and being able to use these. Since I've gotten these first, these are the nicer. But these also do mount, so you can mount this to some wood or whatever if you want. But that is all I got for you guys today. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace!